What's in the box? Hey, what's in the box? What's in the box? I'm not going to fully uncrate it. The owner wanted to see what it looked like. He said there's no pictures of this engine actually on Summit as of yet, but this is a first look, and this is pretty cool. Of course, you can see it's an Edelbrock intake manifold. Let's see, Edelbrock RPM air gap, Holley carburetor. I'm not sure who makes the distributor, but obviously it should be a performance version. Ford Racing X2 heads. That's a good note. So no water pump. There'll be other pieces and parts needed, obviously. But that's going to look pretty cool sitting in that car. And it's got a custom oil pan on it. So, yep. All I wanted to do was get a look at it. And I'm not going to, like I said, not going to uncrate the thing. I want to keep it clean and keep it looking good up until that time where it goes in the car. I might as well give you an update while I'm at it. I've been doing little things to the car. As I said before in a previous video, I did get these installed. As you can see, the cowl is in the windshield frame. I cleaned it all up, sanded it, made sure everything was nice and clean and taken care of, and then I epoxy primed it. I've been working on the door jambs, finishing up, as I said before, those areas. I'm working on a little bit in the back area of getting the trunk hinges cleaned up and all those little pieces and parts. I did remove, these are the door latches from the car. Those are the original door latches, and those have been cleaned up. Lots of little things that just need to be taken care of. So if you haven't seen the other videos, go back and check them out. Brooklyn Pony. There'll be a link on the page, and you can see the whole build of this car. And so if you like this video, by all means, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to, subscribe, share, all those good things. And we'll see you next time, and hopefully I have a better update on things getting done on the car itself. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and take care. not going to fully uncrate it. The owner wanted to see what it looked like because there's not even any pictures of this